This is how to initialise the tyre pressure warning light on your Honda Civic. This is a 2014 model. That one just there, it's just disappeared. Fairly straightforward. We're going to be using menu, I button, joypad and the source button, and everything appears in the window up here on the dash where the clock normally is. So to get rid of that message, you press the exit, which is the I button, and then we're back to the clock. So we're going to press menu, and then we're going to scroll down through all the various things. Customize settings, press the source button, and then as you can see, deflation warning. So there we go, up one, press the source button, down one, initialize, press the source button. It will be initialized. Would you like to proceed? Press down for yes. It's highlighted, press the source button. It's been initialized, that's it. So whatever you've got your tyre pressure set at, whether it's the low load, the high load, it has now set the system up to recognize those particular settings. To get out of this, press the menu button and you're back to the clock. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.